Your Majesty.
You may be seated.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome to the palace.
Ezeh Jiko of Njikoka.
Thank you, sir.
Greetings, Your Majesty. I intend to set this meeting in motion already so that those that have something doing will go back to their jobs.
Huh? Oh no, Ugo Chazuo. This is why I like you. You are a man who understands the urgency when it comes to time management in business.
Thank you very much, Ichioli Okata. We consider ourselves blessed in Njikoka for having a man like you.
Ah, Madekeo. Madekeo.
Your Majesty,
Yes.
we are here today to know who you have finally picked for the stone quarry business of Njikoka.
Your elders of Njikoka. This is a formal presentation, though I see you as stakeholders, but others are not here yet. Definitely, Njikoka Radio will announce to the rest of the people officially about this. That's not the problem.
But honestly, Your Majesty, I don't know why we are wasting time on this. We all know who is most qualified to be governing the stone quarry business of Njikoka. I am the one. Mention my name and I will go into business immediately.
Ah, Your Majesty. I greet you, Your Majesty. I greet you. Greet you, my elders. Please, I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting. On my way coming, I met a problem that could burst into something else. So I decided to stop and sort it out. I'm sorry for keeping the council waiting.
Oh, that's okay. Make yourself comfortable.
Okay.
Elders of Njikoka. There's no need for rent check for the person we've been waiting for just walked.
What? I don't understand. Ezeh Njiko? You mean that all this time I seated down here waiting, I was waiting for Pascal Ibezim?
Yeah. That is very correct, Chief Uliokata. Do you have a problem with that?
I have a very huge problem with that. How can you allow this to happen? That this man seated down here, Chief and Doli Okata, Ofonye Naganago, the all of Njikoka, will be sitting down one place waiting for this boy? No, how can you allow it to be reported anywhere that I arrived at a meeting earlier than this boy and I was sitting waiting for him?
Please, Chief Okata, please. Tankadi here is also a stakeholder. He is the president of Njikoka Progressive Union. You are a well-respected elder and also a stakeholder. We are all here for the progress of the kingdom. Please let us try and avoid any distraction of any sort by looking down on anyone. Please.
Chief Uliokata, I called for this meeting and I gave you an invite because I wanted you to be here. You came for this meeting, not to come and wait for Pascal Ibezim. It happened that he arrived very late. I think I had already given his reasons for that. As progressive-minded people from Njikoka, we should accept what he has said.
It's okay. I'm sorry, Your Majesty. The meeting can continue.
Your Majesty, once again, I apologize for coming late, for keeping you people waiting, okay? You see, on my way coming, I met a big problem, so I had to stop and sort it out. I saw some young men trying to repair a dilapidated bridge, so I had to stop and offer my own contribution and also some logistics. You see, as a leader, I cannot see such and allow it go without helping because I've been contributing to the growth of this kingdom, Njikoka. But Your Majesty, if an elder couldn't realize that he's an elder and decide to be a fool by sitting under the sun. You don't just have to drag him out of the sun, because if you do so, he might think you're insulting him. So all you have to do is to let him, because an elder should know what is good and what is bad to do.
Is this my problem with him? This is my problem with this young man. Who is the old man now? No, who is he referring to?
I think we've had enough of these altercations. Let us remember that we're before His Majesty. We should show some respect. Chief Okata. In fact, I'm totally disappointed at you. Yes.
We're all here to know who my choice of leadership is for the control of the stone quarry of this kingdom. After a wide consultation with stakeholders, we agreed that the leadership should go for the president of the town union. He knows the best better.
What? Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, I have to stand up to thank you. I thank you so much for this appointment. You know, I've been pushing so hard to make this kingdom and Njikoka kingdom great. Yes, and we'll continue doing it. But with this appointment, Your Majesty, I am going to make it wonderful. This appointment has actually propelled me to do more.
Your Majesty, now I understand what is playing out here. It is actually very clear. You actually brought me here to insult me. Let us see how it goes.
Okata, are you working out on Your Majesty?
Your Majesty, I will do more. I will do more.
Sometimes we think we know those man, and he will display some behavior that will make us understand that we don't even know him at all.
You can see now.
Let him be. As for you, Pascal Ibezim, you know, you must try as much as possible to stay out of trouble, especially Chief Okata. He has been in this business for decades without proper accountability. It's time for him to give way for the young ones. You are picked because you're a representative of the youth. Don't let them down.
You have my words. I will not let you people down. Take me by my word.
Why do I smell trouble?
Onyemeluko, my brother, I do not smell trouble. I see trouble. But you know what? I, Pankadi, I am not afraid of any trouble.
Hold on. With all these altercations you have with him, don't you think he will come after you?
Look, all I care for is for the development of this kingdom. I do not care to know whose ass gets burnt.
I understand you. But on the second thought, you need to be very careful, my friend. Chief Okata is a very terrible man. He can even kill you without anyone knowing.
Hi, Onyemelukwe, you don't know me. You don't just know me. I am beyond that already. Chief Okata is just playing.
Hi, darling. Oh, Onyemelukwe. You're welcome. It's been a while.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And I learned you were out of town.
Oh,
When
yes.
did you get back?
That was a few months ago.
Oh.
Yeah, I actually went on a business trip. But as you can see, I'm back now.
And don't forget my goodies.
Of course.
Thank you.
You're
Babe,
welcome.
I was waiting and then the discussion took quite a while, so I decided to get you appetizer, okay? By the way, the dining is set.
I love the sound of that. The dining is set.
Yeah.
Honest truth, I am very famished.
Oh, all right. I'll be waiting for you both to eat.
Sure, you don't need to woo-woo, come.
All right. See you.
All right. Wow. As if she read my mind, my friend. Indeed, I'm famished. What is it? Are you not going to?
If you don't mind, we're going out now.
Without having this appetizer. Let us consume this first and then go inside for the main
Yes,
food.
we're going to eat. Come with me.
Is it not better we finish this one first?
My friend, get up there. You like food. You nearby.
Wait. I don't understand. This is supposed to be the way to the dining. So what?
Honestly, I do not see any reason why you should be upset. I mean, these positions are meant for the youths. You have held bigger positions, more important positions, even in the state government level, yet you did nothing for your people.
Is it that you're sick or something? Why are you endlessly provoking me? If you don't have anything tangible to say, can't you keep quiet? What do you know about the politics of Njikoka?
Yeah, that is it. I may not know too much, but I know enough to know that you are stressing not just yourself, but everybody unnecessarily. Let the youths handle things. Me, for one, I applaud the king's decision, and I expect you to applaud it as well.
You know, I don't actually know what you are doing here. Majority of your mates are married. And they are living very comfortable in their husbands' houses. What you keep telling me is that I am running my own company, I am running my own business, but you keep pissing me off.
Daddy, you are learned. You should know that marriage shouldn't be the only accomplishment for the girl child. Dad, I run my own company. I am doing very well for myself. And any father in your shoes should be proud of a hard-working daughter like me. Okay, tell me, when last did I ask me for money?
Well, listen, this is not about asking me for money. It is not about running your business. It is not even about marriage. I'm sorry that I mentioned that. I just needed to say something. It is about somebody getting into my way. Ezeh Njiko of Njikoka is doing everything within his powers to skim me out of the scheme of things in this kingdom. And somebody needs to fight him the way I am fighting him to remain relevant. You need to understand what I am doing here.
Are we not saying the same thing?
How?
Okay, I'll tell you how. What makes a man relevant is not his status in the society. It is the impact that he has made on his people that keeps him relevant. Daddy, why don't you just find a way to be, to impact positivity on your people? Maybe, just maybe, if the king, for any reason, wants to throw you out or be against you, the people will praise you. They will sing your praise. It's all about the people.
I am still tolerating you because you are my daughter. Stop taking your luck too far. You are going to force me to bend you. And when I bend you, every single bone in your body will be broken. I mean every word of that. Make yourself scarce from here. Get out.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm just where you left me.
What is it? Eh? You know how tedious my work can be. But it's okay, I'm here now. Don't just start looking for a way to fight.
Really? Well, congratulations. The news is all over the place that His Majesty gave you a new appointment. I'm so happy for you, my love.
Thank you.
But I know that Chief Oli Okata will not be happy about this. He's just going to kill himself with anger.
Who cares? I don't really care. That one is just mad at everybody. But I have it under control.
I say, Chief Oli Okata, to the best of my knowledge, is a very dangerous man. And I want you to be careful.
My dear, it's okay. I'm always careful. You see, we have a lot to do together, and we have some things to discuss tonight.
Something like what?
I'm perceiving something. I need to eat that first before the main food.
I'll be right back.
Okay. We had never on the same lane, so I'm wondering what this visit is all about. I believe you're balling on your own lane while I'm on my own lane. So what are you doing here?
I can see I've been following a wrong person all this while. I would have gone through you.
What are you trying to say? I don't understand. Are you trying to tell me to disappoint Michael and start campaigning for you?
That would have been lovely. But I know it's not possible anymore. Yes. I am sorry for the things I've done in the past. I was only misled by Chief Oliakota.
You have to take responsibility. You settled for Chief Oliakota because you feel he can influence your political victory.
Chief Oliakota is a scammer. And nothing good can come out from a scammer. I have decided to step down. But if there is a way or any way you feel you can help, please, don't hesitate to help me.
It's a good thing you've retraced your steps. But my advice for you is to turn a new leaf. Start working towards developing this community. Be a positive giver. You're not supposed to be a taker. Be a giver so you can restore your dignity. Huh?
You're right. You're right. But like I said before, if there is any way you can help, please, do help.
from the things I've said, just figure out what to say.
What? Wait.
Wait, stop.
Stop what? Babe,
Oh.
why are you behaving like I'm about to do something bad?
You see, the only reason I say allow you here is because I do not rough handle women. Why are you stressing me? What is this? Huh? Why are you all over me all the time?
Come on, darling. I am your woman. And you are my man. So now tell me what's so bad in a wife to be wanting to be so close to her husband to be.
Please, please, just remove all these fantasies from your head, your man or not. We all need space. This is not a good time, you know? It's not a good time.
Pascal, you're trying so hard to push me away. But newsflash, I'm not buying it. I'm not going anywhere and I won't let it happen.
Please, please, I had a very hectic day. Okay? I need to get some rest. Just go back to your room, please.
I don't understand. Wait, I don't even understand this new method of sleeping in different rooms. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that tonight. I'm sleeping right here.
Oh, what is this? Are you trying to rape me or what? Huh?
Don't it be better, babe? Come on.
I'm at your room.
Why are we doing this?
At your room, go to your room.
I'm not doing that tonight.
Oh, not your homaka. Oh, damn.
Look, young man. My name is Ifori Okata. The Ofonya Naganago and the Otikpo Lupo of Njikoka. You will not claim you don't know me. I gathered that 8 moving machines have been smuggled into this facility and that they are working as we speak. Why are you denying me entrance?
I'm sorry, Chief. We're under strict instructions not to let you in.
You are under strict instruction from who?
Our boss, Pankadi.
Pakadi instructed you not to let me in, and you're obeying that instruction?
Chief, if not the respect that we have for you, we'll not be talking to you. Just follow due instructions now.
I am standing here waiting because I know you come. I know you're too predictable. I know you come, that is why I left the gate open.
How dare you stop me from accessing that site? How dare you?
That land belongs to the people of Njikoka. And as the president of town union, I am safeguarding that place and making sure that criminals do not access it.
What has come over you? Are you claiming you don't know that land belongs to me? You don't know?
Where are the documents proving that it belongs to you? Show me.
What is wrong with this boy? What is wrong with this boy? Do you want me to turn things off before you organize yourself?
Chief Oliokata, I am well organized. I am very well organized. I was told that precious stones have been deposited on that land, and we're working on it. And we're also making sure that every dime, every money gotten from that land will be deposited in the people of Njikoka's account.
This tree you are planning to cut, when it finally falls, can you carry it alone?
I am not going to carry it alone. But the youths of Njikoka, who understands where we are heading to, will carry it along with me.
Listen, boy, I don't want to fall out with you. That is why I am giving you 24 hours to bundle your men out of that land before you see the real me. I have been working on that land for 2 years now. Don't provoke me.
You see, that's one problem I have with you. You like taking from people. And it's not good. And let me warn you, let me not find your feet in that land again. Else, you will tell the appropriate authority
what you're doing on that land and what you've been doing with the money you got from that land.
What did I just hear you say?
You heard me right, Chief Oliokata. And if you think you're man enough to fight this small boy, then let me see you in that land. You will not like to see what happened to you. Chief Oliokata, this is the new era. You just have to get used to it.
Baby. Babe. Is he in the restroom? Babe. Who could this be?
Opanka, I need you to get your men prepared. When I say get them prepared, I mean every definition of that word. Because very soon, we will be going to war.
Who is the target, sir?
Pankadi. That young man has been a pain on my neck. He is biting more than he can chew. And I have decided that the time has come for me to put him in his place. I just want to believe you are not afraid of him.
Not at all. I will put him on that track.
Good. Good to hear. I need you to keep your ears and your eyes on the ground. Get me every vital information you can get for me about him. I hope that is okay.
Noted, sir.
All right, sir. Maximum confidentiality. All right. Nobody hears of this.
Dad. You know, I'm just thinking. Will a day ever come when you engage these boys in legitimate hustles rather than sending them out to do your dirty dealings? Dad, I understand. I understand that you have your differences with Pascal Ibezim, but if you ask me, this is not the right way to go about it.
You know, you are actually very stupid. Very stupid to be off. Just put yourself up there eavesdropping on my conversation with my business associates. Very stupid of you. Are you even aware that the useless name you just mentioned, just recently, took one of my sites? Do you know how much I have lost on the account of that stupid act of his? Do you even know?
But Dad, you acquired that land forcefully. That's an illegal act. Daddy, if you had done the right thing, I am sure he wouldn't have been able to take that land from you. You have plenty businesses besides. So why don't you concentrate on them and stop causing
In the absence of something tangible dropping off that useless mouth of yours, get out of my sight.
But Dad...
I said you should get out of my sight.
I love you still.
How else can anybody define uselessness? Until you blow the whistle on me, then you will understand the kind of father you have.
need to see you now. I'll send you the address. Yes, it's urgent and it cannot wait. All right, see you then.
Baby! Somebody help me! Somebody help! Babe! Babe! Babe!
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. God, please. Please. This dream should not come to pass. God, please. I don't want to feel any pain. God. God. Typical of him. He's not even taking his calls. Father Lord. God, no. This dream can't happen. It can't happen. Babe, pick up!
Yes.
Address verified. Yes. Location confirmed.
Babe,
Yep.
can you tell me how I can talk to Chief Oliokata?
My love, why are you worrying yourself about this man? This man shouldn't be our problem.
I get it. In as much as you're trying not to make it our problem, it is indeed our problem.
I'm trying to put a fool in his right place. Okay? So I should be allowed to do my thing.
Why? Why are you dismissing this dream? I am really scared.
Babe, you're having those dreams because you worry yourself too much. If you stop worrying yourself and put your mind at rest, then believe me, you won't be having those dreams again.
Babe, that's not true. It's probably a revelation.
Babe, free your mind. Put your mind at rest.
Bankade, now that you're in charge of controlling the stone quarry business of Njikoka, why don't you secure an opportunity for me? Let me come and work for you.
My friend, what is wrong with you? Eh? Haven't you gotten enough money? All we should be talking about now is how to put her together and lift the young ones.
Exactly. Exactly my point. Let me come and work for you. You need me.
What did you just say?
To work? Of
a
course.
big boy like you coming to work for me, are you joking?
You see, Pankadi, I'm very proud of you. Look, no jokes, I am proud of you. I mean, your determinations to see that our own people grow. It's something that Njikoka will forever remember a great man like you.
Thank you so much. You see, people like Chief Oliokata thinks that life is all about them. Okay? They think everyone should bow to them to become relevant in the land.
Even if he's feeding them, there's a limit to everything.
Yeah.
Honestly, you know, Ugo Shazwe, I am very disappointed in you. A man of your status should not be partnering with a tout who is working so hard, supporting another tout to produce the chairman of the local council.
Are you indirectly referring to the king as a tout?
Listen, Pascal Ibezim, the one you all prefer to call Pankadi, is the one we are discussing about here.
Well, we are all aware that Pankadi was a cultist. But even while he was living that negative life, he always fought for the good of his people. It is not on record that he has ever hurt anyone that is from Njikoka.
You are saying what you don't know. There are some people he killed their relatives here in Njikoka.
With all due respect, Chief Oliokata, do your findings well. Pankadi is not a killer.
Why do I have this very disturbing feeling that you are his fan? Why?
Why did you invite me here?
Stop pretending. You know exactly why I invited you here. You are a man I hold in high esteem, and men who are men do not pretend. Listen, I want you to partner with me. When you start partnering with me, the cabinet will be divided. And when the cabinet is divided, that man you refer to as your king will no longer be able to be supporting Pascal Ibezim.
Chief Oliokata, if this thing you just said is the only reason you invited me, then is a total waste of time.
How do you mean?
We, the cabinet, are there to support the king when he is doing a noble thing, and to correct him respectfully if he deviates.
And this nonsense he is doing now is part of the things you refer to as noble?
Not just me, but majority of our people. See, Chifoli Okata, if I were you, I will join hands with Pankadi in making sure that Njikoka is taken to the next level. This thing I just told you is the only way you can cleanse your name and redeem your image that is already battered.
Don't just insult me. Be very careful with your languages. What do you mean? How can you say that my name needs to be cleansed? I have a name that is very credible, a name that is even bigger than Njikoka itself. How can you say that the name needs to be cleansed? Stop that.
Chifoli Okata is only someone that loves someone that will tell him his breath smells. You are the only man whom the people have not benefited anything from in any way. Stop giving yourself accolades you don't deserve.
You are in my house on my invitation and you are insulting me.
May the gods and ancestors of Njikoka rise against me if I insult you. I'm only telling you the truth. But it's obvious you don't like the truth. So I'll be on my way. Have a good day.
No, go Shazua. This man wants to be halted. And when I finally decide to halt him, I'm going to halt him the hard way.
Wow. Wow. I see he's really taking good care of you.
And you are? What are you doing here?
You still have the guts to question me? Like you still have the nerves to ask me to introduce myself to you? Oh, really? Yes. You're dating another woman's man. And now you're asking me silly questions? Since you've decided to do that, I guess you're meant to use your brain to make your proper findings to know who his main chick is.
The last time I checked, my man will not cheat on me. Even if he decides to cheat on me, not with a low-life, classless chick like you. Are you okay? Because you sound like someone who just escaped from asylum. Are you sure you're not sick in the head?
I'm talking about Pankadi. He is my man. And you fool should let that sink in.
Pankadi, your man? Congratulations. But how come he never mentioned you to me? How come he never mentioned you to me? And how come your presence has never been felt in his life?
You know what? I do not blame you one bit. The one I blame is Pankadi for reducing himself to someone like you. I mean, this thing.
You see this thing here? He enjoys it. But nevertheless, I will not stand here to banter words with you. Such a mad girl. When you're done, get the hell out of my house. Excuse me. Stupid.
Are you just walking away? Did she just... Okay, fine. Very, very fine. I'm going to come back here, and when next I'm here, she's going to feel it the hot way. How dare she?
Opaka, I hate to term you a failure, but honestly, you are beginning to annoy me. How can you tell me that you have been hanging around this young man and you don't have anything to tell me?
I need information. I need you to pin something on that young man. Something I can capitalize on to pull him down. Can't you understand it?
I have been watching him closely. But no move yet.
Why do I find it so difficult to believe what you are saying? That young man is not the kind of young man that will just sit idle without doing anything, without making any moves. How?
None of them have been executed yet.
Listen, I don't want it to be reported anywhere. In fact, I don't want it to be that I failed to hit my target because of your incompetence. If that turns out to be the case, you are not going to like the rhythm of the music I will play for you.
I assure you, with little time, I will give you useful information, sir.
Okay. You may leave now.
Thank you, sir.
You mean she came here? How? Why? And how did she find you?
I don't know. I am shocked myself. I mean, she threatened me and promised to bring down the heavens if I refused to stay away from you.
That girl is mad. Because it's only madness can make someone do what she did.
Babe, I really need that mad girl to stay away from us.
Definitely, she's going to stay away from us. Definitely.
Babe, come on. Don't let that mad girl spoil your mood. You're here to see me.
I know, but you see...
There's no but. Why can't you just send her packing? You don't want her, you don't love her. Her presence irritates you.
I'm just being careful.
Babe, why is she still hanging around?
I'm just being careful.
I know. I really do. But you don't have to be mad. Look at you. Come here. You need to be taken care of. Hmm? You need some rest. Don't you think so?
Yeah, definitely. I think I need that rest.
Come here. Come to Mama. Come to Mama.
What the hell is wrong with you? Why are you going round town spoiling my name? Why?
So, you're not even denying it?
Deny what? What do you want me to deny? Did I promise you anything? Did I?
Babe, you don't need to promise me anything for me to know that we both are in something glorious. You know how much I love you, Pascal, and I want to be with you.
I do not love you. The earlier you put that into your brain, better for you. Do you understand? I don't even know what you're doing here. I don't know what you're still doing here. Oh, maybe that is what is giving you the right to interfere in my affairs, right?
This is not fair, is it? It's not fair. What do you want in a woman that I do not have?
Listen, let me tell you. The next time you go there to create drama, you will not like the other side of me. You won't like it.
Babe, why are you doing this to me? You're hurting my feelings. Why? Babe!
Oyemelukwe, I have told you to forget about this issue.
Pankadi, what are you saying? This girl is hurt.
Pray for me that I make a better choice of a life partner.
I don't understand. What other partner are you looking for if not Ngozika? Huh?
Oyemelukwe, I'm the one with the weight. I know how heavy it is for me. And I know the part of my body that is aching. Forget about this issue, please.
It's all right. It's just that she complained to me bitterly. As a matter of fact, she asked me to talk to you about it. But from the way you're responding now, I think I'll have to tell her that you're beyond me speaking to.
My dear friend, you won't understand. But don't worry. Soon, you will understand.
Opanka, I am so disappointed in you. If not that you are my loyal boy, I would have fed your remains to the dogs by now.
I'm very sorry, sir. I will make it up to you.
I am interested in knowing how you are going to make it up to me. I pay you. I retain you in this circle, and your job is very simple. Nose around for information and provide for me. Now you're not doing that. So how come you're not aware he is now backing one of the most credible candidates for this election? Do you know what will happen if that young man picks from finally? I am interested in knowing. How do you intend to remedy this?
So I am trying my best, just that the politicians of these days, they hardly review their secrets on phone. They handle their affairs secretly, and that makes it difficult for me.
And you parade yourself as a mafia. And you cannot unmask their intention. You cannot unmask what they are planning. I need to understand what is going on here. I pay you the kind of money that even bank managers in this area don't earn. Your job is to give me information, nose around for information and give me information back. Now I am the one that is giving you the information that naturally you should be the one giving me. That is because you have abandoned the job.
Not exactly, sir. I just need you to give me small time, sir.
Opanka, son of Okoro Iweka, my boy, I hardly give up on people because I work with people. I see people as the biggest weapon the mafia lord should keep. But woe to that word I give up on. He or she will become endangered species.
It will not get to that, sir. I just plead you give me small time to sit up.
Listen to me. Opanka, let it not ever be said that I am the one who is now giving you the information that naturally you should give me. If that happens, I am going to categorize you as useless. You know what happens when I categorize anybody as useless? Get out. It is not ever in my nature to be the one that is ending my men, because I value my men. But if any of them will rise in a way that he has become the reason my reign will end, I will end him without any apology.
Does it occur to you that you are insulting my personality?
Insult, you say? Your personality. So of all the points I just made to you now, the only thing you can drive home is insult. Clearly your problems are way deeper than I thought.
Does this mean you are working against your father?
I have a question for you. Why would a young man like you decide to sell his soul to the devil?
Do you mean to say that you consider your father to be worse than the devil?
Do not switch things up here. My father is a bone of contention. Listen, look at you. Your mates are making money. You are a full-grown man with potentials. Your mates are out there making legitimate money. But here you are, cohorting with my father, doing his dirty dealings for him. My father has his legs and hands intact, yet he sends you to do his dirty biddings and you do them. Are you not just a fool?
Now let me tell you. If you have a family issue, why not you sort it out without involving a stranger like me?
A stranger? You still consider yourself a stranger? My father has you where he wants. He has you at his beck and call, and then you stand here and still consider yourself a stranger. Oh. Whoa.
I am taking this insult from you because you are Chief's daughter.
Oh, wow. And if I wasn't, what would you have done? Tell me. Slit my throat? Sniff the daylight out of me? You've decided to remain a fool, and you've chosen the path of self-destruction. So knock yourself out. Destroy yourself. Keep fooling yourself.
Fidelis, I will just ask you to calm down. Okay? Just calm down.
Chief, the day I brought money to you, you assured me I will emerge unopposed. But as it stands now, I have opponent, not just opponent, a strong competitor.
Can you just calm down? Yes, I agree with you that it was not like this when you came, when we started. This young man just emerged from nowhere. But you don't need to bother yourself. I have already set in motion a machinery that will see him run away. Just relax and watch what is going to happen.
Chief, to my own best of knowledge, Michael Anosike has a good record in this community. And our people will be so happy if he joined the race.
And then I'm just telling you one more time that you are disturbing yourself for nothing. Okay? When it comes to real-time politics, what the people are thinking, I mean their opinion, are irrelevant. Nobody is thinking about all those things. There are people who decide who occupies any particular position. The people that decide who wins what. And here in Ijikoka, I am the head of that circle. Michael Anosike is an idiot. There's nothing he can do. He is not going to be the next chairman of this council. Do you know why? Because if he enters there, he is going to sanitize the local council. And we don't want anybody who will sanitize the place. We want the council to remain the way the council is. If he decides to go into the race, when the election comes finally, and the results are announced, he will not even come second.
Chief,
I'm telling you.
I am so happy you found me worthy for this post.
Well, you may be wrong to say that I found you worthy. When it comes to deciding who occupies any particular office, we don't consider who is worthy or who is not. What we consider is the person who has the body language. I mean, the chemistry that will flow with what we are thinking. That is to say, we go for the one who will play the kind of politics we want the person to play. And you are the one who believe who can do this. Let me tell you, at any point, you deviate from what we are asking you to do and start to do something else, we are going to pull the carpet under you.
Come on, Chief. You know that will never happen.
Well, I know, but I'm just setting the record straight. You know, the people will always look at me and they will say that Chief Linando Liokata is not a good man. This is the reason. I don't have any permanent friend. I don't have any permanent enemy. Once anybody decides to fall out with me, I will fight the person with every weapon in my arsenal. And most of the times, even the onlookers will be believing that this is a total stranger. I don't know.
I can see that, Chief.
You go to say?
By the look in your face, I can notice that you're not going to support me in the next election.
Let us assume that you've been given an opportunity to campaign to me. I'd like to hear what you have to say to me.
Come on, Melissa. I am your father's candidate. We are the ones controlling the affairs of this local council. I don't need to campaign to you. Your vote automatically supposed to be mine.
Unfortunately, it is not. And I can tell you for a fact that no right-thinking member of the cabinet or this entire region will you have their votes.
If I may ask, are you working against your father?
Listen. This is not about my father, and I will appreciate it if you leave him out of this. Let me ask, what do you even have to offer to the people? Nothing. Absolutely. And that is why you're hiding under my father's shadows to manipulate your way into office. Is it not?
Young woman, watch your mouth. I will not have you here insult me.
Where is the insult exactly? Because I can't find any. If you think you are good enough for the council, why don't you go straight and make yourself known? Why don't you go and approach the people yourself? But no, you can't. You know why? You've got your hands sold. You've literally sold your soul to the devil. You've got skeletons in your cupboard. Do you deny it?
Do I believe you're not proud of your father?
I've got a piece of advice for you. And I hope, pray, and wish that you take it. Join forces with the right candidate. Just for once. Maybe the people will just see you and recognize you for something good. Just this once. Trust me. And if for anything, probably, somehow, they may just give you a chance to right your wrongs. Don't you think? Have a good day, Mr. Fidelis.
Sorrows of the rich and famous. They must have that one child that will always look at them eyeball to eyeball and insult them. Definitely.
What nonsense were you discussing with Fidelis Okoli?
The truth he needed to know.
What the hell do you mean by that? What nonsense truth? Does it mean you cannot learn how to mind your business and stop dabbling into the things I do?
And when, if I may ask, Daddy, did you start having issues with the truth?
Listen, if this is what you have become, if this is what you are going to be doing, then I will advise you, in your overall interest, pack your things and relocate and go be with your brother.
Oh, okay. So
it is not funny.
You're now tired of me being here because I want things done the right way?
What the hell do you know about something being right or being wrong? Whatever I do in Njikoka is my business. Stop getting involved in my affairs to the extent of approaching any of my political affiliates with any element of insult. If you do that, I will kill you. And when I kill you, I will bury you secretly before anybody knows you are missing.